Get a little help here, Bill.
Help? What, you need help petting?
Yeah, I only got 2 paws.
They're all over.
Honey, come help me pet the kitty.
Help you pet.
Oh no.
Oh, you got a pretty fur, but you're not real cute in the face, are you? That's Walter's favorite. Which one?
That one.
This one? Yeah. You want me to take him, pick him up for you?
No. Yeah, can you stuff him in my suitcase? I know.
I didn't even get their pictures.
I got him.
They budged on me.
Picture my face.
Oh, look at him. They get along so well.
That's the male.
Which one, the
That's
gray?
the male dominator right there.
This one is a fighter and has a scratch on his back. Oh, look, this one's coming out too. Hello. Oh, you're a little fluffy girl, aren't you? Yes, you are. I have to pet both their heads at the same time. Whoops. He is the dominant one. This one's eyes are so pretty. She's got like eyeliner. See, look at her, Walter. Oh, I think she's pregnant.
Oh, she is pregnant. She's chubby. She has a big belly.
I wonder what color her kittens are going to be. I bet her kittens are tiger. Did he really come right out? Did you have a picture taken? What a sweet kitty. Yes, you are. You're a sweet little girl. Look how they know love. Oh, that one's... She should be a coat.
I've never seen so many cats.
Happy
That
cats
one's still adolescent, you can tell because the fur is still
soft.
more puppy.
That little pawpaw. I think if that's their first, I will. Hey, you. Are you videoing all the cats?
Yep.
How did